Hey, I'm Kyle with Air Power Equipment. Today I'm going to show you a few simple steps to help you restart your air compressor. Alright, first thing we're going to do is check the oil. You want it to be about half to 3/4 of the way. This one looks a little low. Depending on what model of air compressor you have, you could have a low oil shutoff switch. So let's take a look at that. On this Champion air compressor, you reset the low oil switch by turning the knob to the back. This next thing we're going to do is check the motor overload on this FS Curtis unit. You can check it by pushing the button. Sometimes the motor will trip out if it gets too hot. On the Champion air compressor, it's right on the front. You just push the reset button. Next thing we're going to do is check the pressure switch. Sometimes it's just turned off and you got to turn it back on. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the drive belt. You want to make sure that it's tight and hasn't popped off. If it did come off, replace it with the new belt. Let's make sure we got power. Let's check the breaker. Make sure it hadn't tripped or somebody turned it off. This one's turned off. If you try these steps and you still can't get your compressor running, give us a call at Air Power Equipment Company. We'll be glad to help.